Welcome back to Trading Hour. Well, the pressure across equity indices continues and markets continue to make fresh lows. But we'll now shift focus to the commodity space. Manisha joins in, and today we are focusing on crude.
Thank you for that, Vivek. Well, yes, overnight was a great market for the crude oil prices, where we saw 2% of gains. And with that, the crude oil prices hit a 5-week highs. In the Asian markets, there's a bit of a pressure coming in right now because all of these markets are concerned about the tariffs that would come in tomorrow. But even with that, there are a lot of supply disruption concerns which seem to be supporting the crude oil prices right now. One is that the U.S. could be imposing more tariffs on Russia. The U.S. President Trump has been releasing a lot of statements, even suggesting that you could be looking at 25 to 50% of tariffs on Russia if they do not toe the line. The second important thing is that the U.S. could also be possibly saying that they can attack Iran if things do not fall in place. That has been adding premium to the prices. And then Kurdish oil exports also have seen a snag being hit via the Kurdish-Turkey pipeline there. So various supply disruptions, as you can see. To add to that, the Spanish company Repsol also has seen export from Venezuela, that license being revoked. And then China manufacturing activity came in the best in the last 12 months. So that demand really seems to be going higher. So various factors which have led to premium into the prices. Now, the only thing that you haven't seen 75 take on the higher side is that the markets are looking at the tariff concerns and how that in turn can impact the demand going forward. The other thing to watch out also is the US dollar index, which we have seen slip down or fall the most in last 1 month, and that in turn also has been supportive for many of these dollar-denominated commodities. Well, remember, the dollar index fell by more than 4.5% in the previous quarter, and that in turn has been supportive. The markets do believe that the crude oil prices now for the month of April could be trading anywhere between 72 to 78 on the higher side.
Thank you very much for that, Manisha. Moving on now to the financial